Welcome to Review Source. When space is a luxury and you need a solid surface that doesn't live in the middle of your garage forever, the right foldable workbench is a game changer. Whether you're a pro or a weekend DIYer, stability isn't optional. Today, we're covering the best foldable workbenches for your garage, chosen for their reliability, weight capacity, and real-world performance. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find the product links in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. Keter Folding Workbench. The Keter Folding Workbench is for anyone who hates assembling furniture. It's a practical, no-nonsense workspace that skips the complicated setup. We're looking at a rapid deployment system here. This thing is ready to go in about 30 seconds. No tools, no swearing at instructions. Just pop it open and get to work. It's built from weather-resistant polypropylene with aluminum legs, so it's not going to rust or peel if your garage gets humid or you take it outside for a project. Don't let the plastic look fool you. It's a beast. It supports up to 1,000 pounds, which is plenty for heavy-duty woodworking or mounting a miter saw. It also includes two 12-inch clamps that slot right into the surface, letting you secure materials horizontally or vertically. When you're done, it folds down into a slim profile that's easy to tuck against a wall. It's a smart, durable pick for anyone who needs a reliable station without the permanent footprint of a traditional bench.
Number 2. Turboforce CK6S Workbench. If setup speed is your main metric, the Turboforce CK6S is basically the world record holder. It folds and unfolds in less than 3 seconds. We've seen quick benches before, but this one is on another level. It's incredibly light at just over 23 pounds, making it easy to grab and move around the job site or garage. But don't mistake that lightness for weakness. The metal legs are engineered to handle a massive 1,650 pounds, which is frankly overkill for most people, but we're not complaining. This bench is all about that strength-to-weight ratio. It's compact enough to fit into tight storage spots or the trunk of a car without a struggle. It also plays well with trigger clamps, so you can secure your work easily. Whether you're drilling, cutting, or assembling heavy engine components, it stays stable. It's a beast for those who need to move fast. It's a premium-feeling tool that's perfect for professionals who are constantly on the move, or DIYers who want the strongest portable platform they can get.
Number 3. Anyyion GZT-002 Workbench. The Anyyion GZT-002 is the Swiss Army knife of workbenches. It's a 2-in-1 unit that works as a standard workbench or a dedicated sawhorse. This kind of flexibility is great when you're jumping between painting, sanding, and heavy cutting. It's lightweight enough to carry under one arm, but it still packs an aluminum frame that feels solid. As a table, it holds 500 pounds, but flip it into sawhorse mode and that capacity jumps to 1,000 pounds. One of the best parts about this one is the adjustability. You can tweak the height between 28 and 31 inches, which is a lifesaver for your back during long projects. It's also extendable. If you find yourself needing more room, we like that you can connect multiple units together to build a massive workspace. It's a budget-friendly way to get a versatile setup that grows with your needs. If you value portability and want a bench that adapts to the task at hand, this is a solid choice.
Number 4. WORX WX051 Workbench. The WORX WX051, better known as the Pegasus, is a classic for a reason. It's another 2-in-1 design that's built for convenience. It's a sturdy workbench that supports 300 pounds, but it really shines when you convert it into a sawhorse, where it handles a full 1,000 pounds. The surface is about 31 by 25 inches, giving you a decent amount of room for most garage projects without feeling cramped. It's built well, it's durable, and it's reliable. What sets the Pegasus apart is how it handles work holding. It comes with 2 quick clamps and 4 bench dogs right out of the box. The table surface has integrated channels for these clamps, so you're not constantly fighting with your materials. Like the Anyyion, you can link multiple Pegasus tables together if you're working on something huge, like a door or a large tabletop. It's a middle-of-the-road powerhouse that's easy to fold up and store, making it a staple for anyone who needs a functional, mobile garage shop.
Number 5. Pony Folding Workbench. The Pony Folding Workbench is the one you get when you want everything included. It's a comprehensive 2-in-1 system that acts as both a work cable and a sawhorse, supporting 500 pounds and 1,000 pounds respectively. What we really appreciate here is the height adjustment. It offers 6 different levels, ranging from 30 to 35 inches. That extra range makes a huge difference, depending on whether you're leaning over a project or standing tall. It's a complete workshop in a box. The build quality is high-end, featuring an aluminum leg frame that keeps things stable without making the bench a literal anchor to carry. It also comes packed with accessories. You're getting bar clamps, bench dogs, and even safety straps. You won't have to go hunting for extra gear just to hold a piece of wood steady. It's a versatile, user-friendly workstation that's perfect for the garage or the garden. If you want a complete package that's comfortable to use for hours on end, the Pony is the way to go. And that wraps up the top 5 best foldable workbenches for your garage. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe to Review Source, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tool picks. We've included links to every product in the description so you can find the best fit for your workshop. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.